guys!
Thanks for joining us today. We are very glad to stand here and introduce our leader Nonwoven box bag make machine to you in next few minutes. This is Sarah.
This is Rui.
This is Emma. First of all, let me introduce what kind of bag can be produced by our leader machine. Leader Nonwoven box bag making machine is suitable for laminated PP nonwoven fabric, non-laminated PP nonwoven fabric, laminated PP woven, aluminum film nonwoven fabric, glitter film nonwoven fabric, laser film nonwoven fabric, etc. They can be used as supermarket bag, gift bag, shopping bag, food packaging, etc. So let's see what an amazing machine it is.
Leader Nonwoven box bag make machine is our patented product. The machine passed the ISO 9001-2008 quality certificated system and the CE safety certificated system. The whole machine is around 9 meters. The machine width is 4.5 meters and the machine height is 3 meters. Whole machine divided into 5 units: sealing unit, handle sealing unit, foaming unit, folding unit, and bag correction unit. Whole machine with 15 sets Delta servo motors and 2 sets Innovation servo motors, which can ensure machine running in a high speed. And the whole machine is controlled by Trio controller, which one we imported from England. You must want to see how this big body running. Let me show you from starting. We will put the fabric roll in air shift. Then we have side correction system to ensure fabric keep in middle. This area is for back mount folding. Normally, customer makes 3 cm folding at both sides. And this sewing arm is for adjusting fabric tension, make fabric strength keep stable. Going to here, you can see we make handle loop sealing in this unit. One time sealing the both side handle loop. Handle altern center, the handle length adjusted by PLC automatically.
Now, let me bring all the guys to see how our main forming part working.
From this cutting blade, fabric will cut by one sheet. Then the crown will carry fabric sheet on the main mold. Main mold will push fabric sheet down. Two-side ultrasonic mold will come to seal the fabric. Then you can get one bag. The bag will go into fold unit. Make two-side fabric insert. Then pass transport belt. In collection unit will collect the bag.
After showing, you can see so many advantages in leader machine. First, we only need 2 operators. Second, machine speed can be 60 to 80 pieces per minute. Third, bag quality easily controlled. Fourth, box bag no need to reserve. 5, low noise. Until now, we can get properly bags. So we can packing it and deliver to our customer now. So what are you waiting for? Let's join our eco and green business. See you next time. Bye bye.